in your Google Classroom to see that I left you an assignment?
Yes.
Okay. Did you do the assignment?
Well, I had no clue how to do it because I was confused. Was I supposed to type it like on my computer through Google Docs, or was I supposed to do it through a piece of paper?
You could do it on a piece of paper, and then I want you to either come to my office hour between 2 to 3, or we could just set up another time when you and I could have a class together and go over it.
Okay.
Okay, so just work on it, and then you and I will meet one-on-one.
Okay, you want me to do that now?
Yeah, you can work on the paper now if you want. Also, but Cedric, before you go, hi Cassie. Also, Cedric, your sum dog, you did not do your challenge, and that's a 50-point assignment.
Oh.
So you still have to do that, just like all the other 6th graders. So you have to work on that also. So I'm still monitoring it so I can give you some credit for that assignment.
Okay.
Okay, so you have that worksheet and you have your sum dog, and then you and I need to meet separately. Okay. Hey, Dante, same goes for you. Did you see the assignment that I put in your Google Classroom?
I did not know where it was.
You don't know where your Google Classroom is?
No. I'm just telling you the assignment. It was.
If you go into Google Classroom and you go in the Math 6 class.
Yeah, I know that one. Yeah.
Okay. And then there's a thing in there that says, Dante, go to this link. It's like a link for you and answer the 20 questions. Did you do that?
Oh, that one.
That one. All right. Also, your sum dog challenge you did not do, and it's 50 points. Okay. You need to do that. All right, you need to do both of those math assignments, and then you need to meet with me. Like, you could pop in between 2 and 3, go to Google Meet and type in Palmer, and we could set up another time for you and I to meet and go over your math, okay? We could work one-on-one with that. All right? Okay, you can't just not do the math. Okay. Do I have everyone else? Let me see. I have Nathan. I got your math test.
We need both Nicholas's.
All right, Cassie. I don't have your math test.
What? I sent it to you.
Sent it.
Oh my gosh! Really?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Okay. So
well,
try it again. Try sending it to me again.
I can't send it again though. But, I mean, I can. Just it's gonna take a long time.
Well, I'm gonna look on the math module first.
Okay. Serena, I have yours, and Nathan, I have yours.
I did it in Google Docs.
Yeah. Cassie, did you do yours in Google Docs?
No.
How did you do it?
I tried to send it to you on Gmail.
Okay. I didn't do it. Why don't you type it into a Google Doc and then just share it?
Okay.
Okay.
You can also look in the sent category of emails, and you can probably find that email there.
Okay.
Okay. And we're missing 2 Nicholases. Anyone else? Oh, and Matthew. Okay. Well, we're going to get started anyway because we're moving on to our next module. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Hopefully. All right. This is thanks to Cedric teaching me how to do this.
Huh? Oh, present?
Yeah.
It's simple. So you know where you want to hang up? It's that simple. Look over to the right.
Yeah, I remember you teaching me.
And then you can click your entire screen.
Hopefully it'll work.
Tap it. And then there.
Okay, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're starting module 12.1, graphing on the coordinate plane today. It loads a lot faster when I'm not in Google Meet. So I find out that Google Meet must take a lot of my internet.
Why am I so tired?
Maybe you didn't get a lot of good sleep.
Okay. It's coming.
As a biologist, I'm always on the go. And so are a lot of the animals that I study. Sea turtles, alligators, tiger sharks. They can all move a long
What?
way if they have enough time. Getting an idea of how fast they swim and how far they move is important for protecting them. To do that, we need to use a two-variable equation right after we collect some data. Step 1. Catch a tiger shark. Oh, yeah! Step 2. Attach a transmitter. Right. Step 3. Track the animal to see how far it moves over a set period of time. Tiger sharks usually cruise at a speed of about 3 kilometers per hour. We can calculate the distance a shark swims by multiplying the rate of speed and the time the shark swims, or y equals 3 times x. We tracked this shark for 6 hours. It moved a total of 24 kilometers. Do a bit of math? That's 4 kilometers an hour, a bit higher than the average. But how far could that tiger shark swim over a week, a month, or a year? A graph will help. We can use the speed to draw a line on a graph that shows distance and time. If we follow along the line, we get our answer. Man, based on this, tiger sharks could swim across an entire ocean in less than a year. That means we have to protect some pretty huge areas if we want to save sharks. And that's another reason math matters.
Math matters.
Okay.
A coordinate plane is formed by two number lines that intersect at right angles. The point of intersection is 0 on each number line. Which words will complete the sentences?
Okay. So also, I want you to look in your textbook because this is on page 332. Okay, so we're going to kind of read along in our textbook as we do this. So page 332. Okay, are you guys on page 332?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. I think it's reloading our lesson. No, do we have to watch that video again? All right, we'll just give it a minute. I don't think we have to watch the video. And it won't let me move forward yet. I'll give it a minute to reload. Okay. Are we all on 332? And do I have everybody with me now? I can't see you guys now that I put up that screen. I saw Matthew. Do I have both Nicholases?
No. Well, I don't know.
There's Nicholas W.
A coordinate
Okay.
plane
Well,
is
we got
formed by
Nicholas
two number
Goldie.
lines that intersect at right angles. The point of
Yeah, that's all we
intersection
have
is
right now.
0 on each number line.
We don't have the Nicholas and
The
definitely
sentences.
don't have.
Okay. So this goes along with page 332. The two number lines are called the, Cassie, what are the two number lines called? So here's your choices: quadrants, origin, x-axis, axes, y-axis.
Axes.
Okay. All righty. And the horizontal axis is called the what, Matthew Bellino? I can't hear you, Matthew. Maybe you're muted.
It's the x-axis.
Okay. So that means we're going to call the vertical one the y-axis. Okay. The point where the axes intersect is called the what, Serena?
Origin.
Origin. Okay. And the two axes divide the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants.
Wait, I don't think the first two or the second two are not correct. I don't think those are correct.
X and Y. You want to
They're
switch
correct.
these
I
around?
think those are the
They're
other
right.
way around.
All right. Well, are you looking in your book on page 332?
Yeah.
Cassie, okay. Read the second
Oh
bullet
wait,
point.
I'm sorry. I was thinking the other way around. I thought the horizontal one was up and down.
Oh, okay.
Never mind.
All right. Those are correct.
Great job.
Oops.
Identify the coordinates of each point. Name the quadrant where each point is located. Start with point A. First, locate the origin.
All right. Here's where the origin is, right here. Where my arrow is. I don't know what they want me to do with it. Here it is.
Great. The origin is at the intersection of the x and y axes at the point 0, 0. Now, for the x coordinate, is point A to the right or the left of the origin? How many units?
All right. Nathan Miller, what goes in these blanks?
So the first blank would be 1, and it'd be left.
Okay. We'll check it. You're correct. Good
Yes,
job.
it is 1 unit to the left of the origin. How many units up or down do you need to go from the origin?
Okay. Serena, what goes in these blanks?
Point A is 1 unit to the right.
Yep. And this is like the up or down. How many units up or down? So is point A
5 units down.
5 units down? Good.
Correct. Point A is 5 units below the origin. What is the y coordinate of point A?
All right, Nicholas Willoughby, what's the y coordinate going to be? A is at point -1, and then what?
So A is at point -1.
Yeah,
And the y one is at point -5.
okay, let's give it a check. Good.
Good job. The coordinate is -5 because point A is 5 units below the origin. Which quadrant is point A in?
Okay, so it's not really telling us what the quadrants are. Can you guys see my mouse? Can you see this arrow? Anyone?
Yes.
Cassie,
Yes, I can see it. I can see it.
Yes,
Okay.
I can see it.
All right, so this is quadrant 1, and you go counterclockwise. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So So point A is in 1, 2, 3, quadrant 3. Right, that's quadrant 3 over.
That's right. Point A is in quadrant 3. Now find the coordinates of point B. Start at the origin.
Okay. Trying to think, who didn't I hear from? I think I heard from everybody. Do I have Nicholas Marks yet? No. Okay. Let's go with Nicholas Willoughby. Point B. What are the coordinates for point B?
Point B is
The first coordinate.
two
Go ahead.
units
Sorry.
to the right.
Good.
Correct. Starting at the origin, point B is 2 units to the right. What is the x-coordinate of point B?
All right. So we'll call that 2.
Right. The x-coordinate of B is 2, since you need to move 2 units to the right of the origin. Do you need to go up or down from the origin to get to point B? How many units?
Okay. Serena, what do you want to do for point B?
3 units up.
Yes, point B is 3 units up from the origin. What is the y-coordinate of point B? That's it. Since you go up 3 units from the origin, the y-coordinate is 3. Which quadrant is point B located in?
Okay. Cassie, what quadrant is point B in?
Quadrant 1.
No,
I completed it.
quadrant 1.
It is in quadrant 1. I typed it in as an L because
Let's
it's
see
usually
if we
that
can
way.
find a pattern
You were
in
right,
the
Cassie.
coordinates related to the quadrant.
Nicholas.
Quadrant 2, x-coordinates are negative and the y-coordinates are positive. Look at the coordinates of quadrant 3. What are the signs in this quadrant?
Okay, Nathan, quadrant 3, which would be here, okay? And these points. What are those, Nathan? Negative, positive, positive, positive?
Negative, negative.
Good.
Correct. Both signs are negative. What are the signs for the coordinates in quadrant 4?
All right, Matthew Bellino, quadrant 4. So that's these points, and they kind of show you where they are. These points right here, 2, -3, 6, -1, 1, -4. How did they go, Matthew Bellino?
Positive, negative.
Good job.
That's it. The x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate is negative. Graph and label each point on the coordinate plane. Now use the coordinates to plot some points on the coordinate grid. Where should you start?
Okay. Do I have Nicholas Marks yet? No. Okay, Nicholas Willoughby. Where do I start at?
Nicholas Marks is here. Nicholas Marks is here.
Okay. All right. Hi, Nicholas. I'm glad you're joining us.
Hello.
Hi. You might have to go back and watch the beginning of the lesson for what you
I will.
missed. Okay.
Hello.
Nicholas Willoughby. Where should we start?
We should start at point A, -5. We should start at the origin.
Good job.
That's right. Start at the origin. What is the x-coordinate of point A?
Okay, Serena, x coordinate of point A. Are you there, Serena? Are you on mute?
She's muted.
Okay. All right, I'll put it in -5.
Good.
All right, you can
The x
see it right here.
coordinate is the first coordinate, and it is -5. Which direction should you move first? Yes, you should go left of the origin because the number is negative.
Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of that for a second.
Where is -5 on the x?
All right, I'm going to go out of there. Come back to you. Okay. So look at page 334. Okay. At the top, it says your turn, graph and label each point. Okay. So if you're going to graph point P, -4, you're going to go 4 units to the left and up 2. Okay. Put a point there. You don't put like a P right there. You put a point right there, and then you call it P. You can see how they label them. Okay, for Q, you're going to go to the right 3 and up 2.5. Put a point and label it Q.
Mommy said she put all the hairbands for washing.
Okay. Do you guys have questions about the coordinate plane? I know you've done them in your simple solutions, but this is the book's section.
What page is it? What page, Mrs. Palmer?
We were looking at page 333.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So what I want you to complete for tomorrow is page 334 and 335. It's numbers 1 to 16.
334, 335.
Okay, is that all our homework?
It is, but don't go away just yet, guys, because
Okay.
Cassie, I told you about your test, but also Nicholas Willoughby, I did not get your math test. Did you send that to me or share it with me?
Actually, I did. It wasn't. I don't have your email, but I replied to your message with all the answers.
Okay, so you put it on Google Classroom?
No. Here, let me try to find it. So what I did is I went to Gmail. I did it in a Google Docs, and I replied to your message because I didn't have email. So yeah.
Okay.
That's what I did too.
What?
Okay, so when I look in my email, see, I have Matthew's, I have Serena's, and I have Nathan's.
I replied to you.
Yeah, it didn't come back to me. So try to do it the way, did you put it in a Google Doc or did you type it in your email?
I put it in a Google Doc.
Okay, share the Google Doc with me.
I don't have your email.
Okay, I'll tell it to you. It's not hard. Oh, ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's D Palmer. So DPALMER.
Okay.
At stjosephdanville.com. At stjosephdanville.com.
Wait, can you tell me your email as well? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear it.
Yep. Thank you. Serena typed it in. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
I
In chat.
I can't see it.
Go to chat. Can you see it there?
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Yep. Okay, and Nicholas Marks, I did just get yours. It just came through. So I'm just waiting for Nicholas Willoughby, if you send that or share that, and Cassie. That's the email to use. Okay? And you guys have pages 334 to 335 on plotting those points.
On
That's your
to
homework.
16.
Yep. Do you guys have any questions about plotting the points? Or the coordinate plane? There were a lot of definitions on page 331. That's why I put up the lesson to share with you. The x-axis, y-axis, origin, quadrant, those are all important definitions. Oh, Cassie and Nicholas, I just got both of your tests. Okay?
Okay.
I'll give you guys your scores later today after I check all of them.
3:30.
I probably will visit you at 2.
Okay.
I bet I will.
I'll be here.
That's good.
Yep. Three. Your homework's 334, 335. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Have a nice Spanish class.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Dante, don't forget to come see me during my office hours also to go over your math.